friction. First, we have to know what is friction. A friction is created when two objects are rubbed against each other, like a matchstick. When we rub the matchstick to the box, it lights because of the friction and chemical reaction. Let's do an experiment to know more about friction. These are my items. These are the items required. I have filled the bottle with rice and a pencil. Can you lift the bottle with the pencil? Let us try it. It cannot be lifted. So let us put some friction and try. First, move the pencil up and down so that you can take the air molecules out of the grain of rice. And also can create some friction. It happened because of friction. When I rubbed the pencil up and down in the rice, it created friction, which let all the air molecules out and let the rice come closer to the pencil, which eventually make it lift. Thank you. I hope you got to know more about friction. Bye.